Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. 6 mistakes that spoil our outfit. We all make mistakes, but now it's time to correct them. I will be sharing some tips with you so that you can look fabulous all day long. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. First thing that can spoil your outfit is bad creases and wrinkles. It happens when you don't iron your outfit or you fold them in a wrong way. So always iron your outfit. I know even when we are in hurry, we just take out that clothes out of the closet and we wear them and go. But it honestly shows. So spare some time and iron your outfit so you can look fabulous all day long. Second thing that can spoil your outfit is the fibers and threads that come out from your outfit. I think you have noticed that there are small threads and fibers that do come out of your outfit, like sweaters and shawls. So just take a fabric cutter and cut them out. It doesn't look good, so just cut them out before you step out of your home. Number 3 that can spoil your outfit is sweat marks. Yes, I know sweaty days are bad and even worse when you're wearing a light color outfit, especially white. Have you noticed that stain marks or sweat marks under your armpits on the white shirt that stays there kind of permanently? It is because you haven't washed it when you have come home. So whenever you are in a situation where it's a sweaty day, just come home and immediately wash that white shirt, else you can't wear that outfit again. Fourth thing that can spoil your outfit is foundation and lipstick marks. I know most of you get ready in the morning and then wear your outfit, and when you wear it like this, chances are really high that foundation and lipstick marks stay at your outfit, right? So my suggestion is wear your outfit and then do your makeup. It will really help. Fifth thing that can spoil your outfit is hanger loops. Yes, I know hanger loops are very important in an outfit, but when it starts showing, it doesn't look good. So in my suggestion, put them in a right way that it doesn't show, or just cut them out. Sixth thing that can spoil your outfit is belt loops. I know it's very silly to say that, but when you wear a belt, it's very important that the belt loops also stick to your belt, right? But in many cases, I have seen that there is a gap between your belt and the belt loop, and it doesn't look nice. That gap should not show, right? So either, in my suggestion, you wear your belt on the top of the belt loop. I know it's silly, but you can do that. It looks good. Or you can also cut that belt loop. These are the things that I think can spoil your outfit, but these things can be corrected too. If you know more things or mistakes that people make, please comment. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. It's very important, guys. Please subscribe, press the bell icon to see the videos every week. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon.